So what we're doing here today is introducing some students to what it's like to practice in a rural setting. It's very important, as I'm sure many people in the city of Lindsay and Kawartha Lakes are aware, sometimes it can be very difficult to get doctors up here to practice. And so introducing, a lot of studies are showing that introducing students with an experience early on makes them more likely to go back later in life to practice, as otherwise it's a big unknown. So this introduces them to it, gets kind of that scary unknown out of the way, and from there on they're more comfortable coming back and they know what to expect and they're excited about it.
Come out through the incision and then readjust your hand and then go back down coming out the other side of the incision. Don't try and go all the way through in one pass.
Kawartha Lakes Healthcare Initiative enjoys putting this day on for them. They're going to learn about suturing, they're going to learn about intubation, and they're going to discuss the differences between rural and urban mental health, if there are any. And we really enjoy the day because it introduces them to rural medicine early. Hopefully that then they will think about coming to a rural community, whether it's here or somewhere else, hopefully here, in order to service our citizens, whether they come as family doctors, they come as specialists, and that's really the goal of the day, is to expose them to that rural, what is different between urban and rural medicine. We couldn't do this without the Ross Memorial Hospital's help. We have our own volunteers here from Kawartha Lakes Healthcare Initiative. We have a volunteer from the Rural Ontario Medical Program, who we work with closely on medical education program. And it's usually just a really super day. They're enthusiastic, they're willing to learn, they're interested. And the other piece I should add, we cannot do this also without our local doctors who are all participating, volunteering, leading the sessions. This afternoon there'll also be a panel discussion with some of our local physicians just on why they chose to practice locally and what it's like differently.